Unbox, test, review.
Hi, so today's unboxing video and testing is the Rode Wireless Go system, and here it is in a box that's just arrived from a large retailer, and let's see what's inside. Here's the small box. Get rid of that. Wireless Go Rode microphones. Okay, so here we are. Now what I'm going to do is, at the moment this is recording using the on-camera microphone, but I've primarily bought this system to use for video making, and I think anybody doing podcasts or video, this could become a very useful item for them. So here it says, okay, and inside the box we have a little pouchette which feels like they've got the items inside. A nice little cover, a Rode branded what looks like a mini USB, it's a USB-C, I think that, yeah, USB-C to USB cable, a little red extension, another one of those, and another USB. So I presume you can record both at the same time, and instructions, of course. So that's it, that's what's in the box. Let me get rid of that, and we'll have a look. Okay, so there's one unit, a little pull-off plastic item. Let's do that. There we go. The Rode Gold Spot, and another one. Let's pull that. Presumably, I should have done that. And so the microphone's on top of that one. It's got a couple of indicators, power, and I presume that's link, and an extension for the lavalier microphone. Okay, that seems to be the cover for the top of that. It clips in. That's the microphone, and there's two of those, but it's got like little red clips. I don't know if you can see that. Come here. Little red clips which fit into the top of there, and presumably you turn it on by pressing that button there. Okay, they're lighting up blue and one's flashing, presumably that's the link. So I'll turn this one on. Okay, press and hold, and it says Wireless Go. Okay, and the link, oh, I can actually see the VU meter is going up and down. That's accepting my signal. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put that on the camera, and we'll see what it sounds like when I clip this onto my jumper. Won't need the windshield inside. I don't really need to read the instructions. Let's give that a try, see what it sounds like. This is the sound with the Rode. So the microphone is attached to my sweater, about 4 or 5 inches below my mouth. I've actually had to set the pad on the Rode receiver. There's a button that says dB on the bottom. There's 3 positions and a little indicator to show you which position the pad is in. So I've set it to low so it doesn't overburden the camera and distort my voice. But it's looking really good, and the proof of the pudding is in the sound that you can hear at the moment. This is the Rode Wireless Go, and apparently has a range of about 75 feet. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to walk about 50 feet away from the camera and the receiver and see if it still works. So that's still line of sight, but I'm approximately 45 feet roughly away from the camera at the moment. So hopefully that's picking up my voice. Just I'm moving my head about, but hopefully that's picking it up at that distance. And that's me back behind the camera. So I've taken it off the camera again. Just a couple of things to note. The receiver has a nice hot shoe, this item here, which is used to clip it up the microphone onto your body. The receiver part, basically that's pushed up like that and slid onto the hot shoe of the camera. And then this basically connects one end to the Rode and one end to the camera. And that's it. That's the Rode Wireless Go. And I'm hoping it's going to really improve the sound of my recordings.
Gear. Unbox. Test. Review.